Hey guys, Scott, West Virginia Survival. Down here at the river today behind my house, and we're going to dig a coyote well. That's what some people call it. The river has a little bit of color to it right now. The purpose of this is if you was going to take this water and just collect it straight from the river and boil it, you have a lot of sediment and stuff in it, a lot of particles in it. And this is something that you can do multiple places along the riverbank. We'll dig several holes and allow the water, you have to get below the water table and allow the water to seep in, and it helps filter your water if you don't have any other means to do so. So the first thing you want to do is get a digging stick. We're probably in a less than ideal situation for this. Then I'm going to start digging here about a 1.5 feet from the river's edge and try to dig down far enough below the table, the water table, to where the water will seep in through the side of our well. Okay guys, you can see how muddy this water is right here. And you notice this level will never get higher than this level. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this set for a while, and we're going to come back to it. And what will happen is all this mud and stuff that's floating, all this sand, will eventually settle to the bottom, and you'll have clear water on top of here. We'll come back and check it out. It's been maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. And you can see along the edges how clear it is already. Really, you know, if I was going to use this, I'd wait till longer. But like I said, you'd have several of these dug out throughout the creek or the river that you were on. Now I cut off a piece of Japanese waterweed, or knotweed is what it is. It's just a hollow tube. I could use that to suck that up if I didn't have a container to boil it in, and this was my only option for water, which I don't recommend, especially out of this river. But, or you could just give it time, and all of that stuff will settle to the bottom, and then you could take your container and dip it out and then boil it over your fire. But guys, it's just another method to help filter your water before you boil it. It's been Scott, West Virginia Survival. Thanks for watching.